Amtrak Locomotive 164 is a GE P42DC diesel-electric engine that has been repainted into the Phase 4 Heritage livery, honoring the design introduced in the early 1990s. This locomotive is part of Amtrak's initiative to celebrate its history through heritage units. The Phase 4 paint scheme, introduced in 1993, features a thick dark blue stripe bordered by thin red stripes on a light gray body. This design was initially applied to Amtrak's Superliner 2 cars and later extended to locomotives. Amtrak 164's repaint into this livery pays homage to that era. Notably, the original Phase 4 Heritage unit, Amtrak 184, was repainted into Phase 5 due to material availability issues, making 164 the current bearer of the Phase 4 Heritage design. While waiting for the builder to depart St. Paul Union Depot, we caught a BNSF freight. BNSF 6809 is a General Electric ES44C4 diesel-electric locomotive, part of BNSF Railway's modern freight fleet. The ES44C4 model is notable for its A1A wheel arrangement, where the center axle on each truck is unpowered. This design provides a balance between traction and reduced track wear, making it suitable for various freight services. Canadian Pacific Locomotive CP8208 is a GE AC4400CWM, a modernized version of the AC4400CW freight locomotive. Originally built in August 1998 as CP8560, it underwent a significant rebuild by GE in 2021. One last look at 164 before it heads out of St. Paul.